Thanks, New Ground Warrior 4333 Charlie. We're at spot 1 with information hotel, requesting taxi for a departure to the southwest.
33 Charlie, ground taxi runway 6 via Bravo, cross runway 24, cross runway 15.
We'll go on Bravo across runway 15 to runway 6, 33 Charlie. Do you wanna steer it?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Oh, okay.
Oh, can I?
Yeah, not with that.
Oh.
It's with your feet. Yeah. So those pedals there, if you push the right one, it'll go to the right. If you push the left, it'll go left. So just keep it on that yellow line.
Which yellow line?
The one right in front of us. So I'll go to the right a bit. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Up and down. Free range of motion. Very good. Mixture, going full rich. Gonna hold the brakes at the same time. Throttle 2000. 2000 RPM. I'll put that down for a second. Clear up final. And there's runway 6 verified. And runway 6 is verified by that, and heels into the floor, mixture's rich, and power's going full, very smooth. And power's set, gauges are all in the green, airspeed is coming alive, going to rotate at 60, we're very light today. And there's 60, we're going to rotate. And we're up, we're flying, welcome to the sky. Very smooth indeed. Our house is over there. You want to see it?
I do. Woohoo!
Let's go and have a gander.
Did I not tell Mum that we're on our way?
Is she there?
She's probably back now.
Give her a call.
I can't hear.
Text her. Or just shout.
I don't know. Oh, here we go. Flying over.
Do 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 do. Wow. Okay. Should be down there. On this squiggly road. Oh no. Fuck. Okay, there it is. Got it. See where the trees are in the middle?
Yeah.
Our house is down there. I'll get it off the wing in a second.
I can't see it.
It's directly there. There's a trampoline outside the house. Back of the house. You see the one with the pool, the only pool down there. The one house to the right of it. There's people outside there. Oh no, there's 2 chairs. Oh yeah, there's somebody out there.
We go around again?
Yeah.
This is so, bloody cool. Sorry. Oh, okay, right, I get it, right. Yeah, keep going.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see Mum's car, can you?
Oh, yeah. I see her Christmas lights.
Yeah.
Oh, shit! When to put my camera away.
Oh, traffic up there. See if they can see us waving.
Oh, she saw us.
Oh, cool.
Tipping your wings.
There you go. Perfect. Okay. And we're going to do a chandelle to the left, which is a climbing 180 degree turn. Yeah.
Alright.
It's alright, it's nothing spectacular. Lake Marion traffic, Warrior 4333 Charlie, we're just off the east shore of Lake Marion. Going to do some chandelles, 2,000 feet, Lake Marion. Okay. So here we go, make sure it's on, all that stuff, looking to the left. We're going to set the 30-degree bank. Full power, pitch up. Constant bank, constantly changing pitch. There's a 90 degrees. And the bank should be the one that's changing. And just like that, hold it, don't lose altitude. Simple.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, that wasn't scary.
No, not at all. Lake Marion traffic, Warrior 4333 Charlie, we're directly over the top of Lake Marion now at 3,000 feet because we're doing steep spiral emergency descent practice. Lake Marion. You ready? You're going to feel some G's. It's going to be a steep bank, turning, descending.
I'm glad you tell me
No
because...
power.
What?
No power.
No power?
Yeah, you ready?
What the f?
You ready?
No power?
No power.
Help!
No power. Okay. We just lost our engine.
Lake Cloud, traffic light, Fort 1 Charlie, off the North Shore, Lake Cloud, 3,500 feet maneuvering.
And let's set the 55 to 60 degree bank, we'll just call it right there. Attempting to maintain that 85 knots. Hold the back pressure, hold the back pressure. You feel the G's?
Oh my god.
That's one turn. Maintaining that.
It's quite cool actually.
Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not bad. And once we hit southbound again, we are going to recover. And there we go, southbound, and we'll recover.
Alright.
Done.
Woo! Are we doing another one?
No.
Thank-
You want to fly?
How?
Go on. Hold it forward. So now push the nose down a little bit. There you go. You can't really see a horizon, that's the thing.
Bring me the horizon.
Yeah, you can't really feel a horizon. So try and keep this on that line, or just a little bit above it, while looking outside. And then give me a turn to the left. Make this go to like the 6.
Lewis,
Yeah.
I need you
And
to
then
recover me if I...
pull back a little bit and do a little bit less bank. There you go.
Like that.
Yeah.
Then what?
Go back that way.
Am I okay?
Push down a bit. And then back to the left. Just to get a feel for the plane. Pretty easy, isn't it?
I feel like Dave Grohl in the Learn to Fly video.
You look like him.
Oh, okay. Do you want me to put the nose down a bit?
Yeah, just a tad. Just a tad.
I can't see in front of me. That's
Just a tad, yeah.
like that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, this is fun.
Yeah. It's nice and smooth, so it's quite easy. But keeping altitude well, heading's good.
Better at flying than I am driving a car.
Yeah, I know. Less tickets.
Yeah. Nose down a bit.
No, you're fine there.
Okay.
It's weird, your body tells you stuff that you shouldn't, that's not right.
I know.
So you have to look at the instruments and make sure it's okay.
I know. Am I
And
going
then
the
wind
wrong...
happens.
Stop it!
No!
You bastard!
Thanks, Kissimmee Tower, Warrior 4333 Charlie. We're about 6 miles to the south inbound for a couple of stop and goes with India.
4333 Charlie, Kissimmee Tower, direct right base, runway 6, give me a call 2 miles out.
Okay, we'll go right base for runway 6 and give you a call 2 miles out. It's 33 Charlie. Cool. We'll do 2 stop and goes, and then on the third one we'll land and then
Alright.
stop.
That sounds cool.
Yeah. This is if it was light, then we would have done more manoeuvres, but I think we left it a bit too late. I left it a bit too late.
GoPro's still on the wing.
Yeah, I know, luckily. See the runway? There's 4 lights to the left of it.
Oh yeah, I see it.
There you go. It's got some green lights at the front and it's got 4 lights to the left of it. And Tower 33 Charlie on a 2 mile final.
4333 Charlie, runway 6, you're cleared stop and go, on the go, make right traffic.
Cleared stop and go on the go, we'll make right traffic, 33 Charlie. So what you cleared us to do is stop on the runway and then go. Break a dick, break a dick, break, 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 break a dick, break, break, break. Oh, by the way, I was flying over here the other week and there's a really malnourished horse.
How do you know it was malnourished from how far away you were?
Well, no, because you're only 200 feet above it and you can see its ribs.
Good little landing.
Well, let's see how smooth we can get it. Oh, get in. Gorgeous.
That was great.
Post coming back. Full back pressure.
Kissimmee Tower, this is Cessna 293 Juliet, about 4 miles out of the airport.
2973 Juliet, I'm showing you west of the airport. Do you proceed for runway 6,
Stop.
cleared to land.
Runway 6, clear to land, 2973 Juliet.
And full right rudder. Power's set. Gauge is still all in the green. Airspeed's coming alive.
Woohoo!
And
Let's go!
let's get up off the runway. Let's maintain ground effect for a second. And we'll balloon it up. Cool. That went well. And Tower 33 Charlie's a beam.
Number 33 Charlie, roger, runway 6, you're cleared for a stop and go.
Clear stop and go on runway 6, 33 Charlie. Make it a short approach.
2973 Julie, you're number 2, you're following traffic on the right base. Traffic heads a stop and go.
Okay, we'll whack carburetor heat on. Last notch of flaps. Lose some altitude, slight slip. My ears are popping like mad today.
Why too?
Oh, sorry, am I boring you?
They make... Listen. Sorry about that.
Oh, bang!
Boom!
That wasn't a good one. Alright, that's up. That's up. Feel to the floor, full power. That was a bangy one. And let's go. In the green. Fine. 60, rotate. Yeah, I didn't have enough power set in on that last one. And Tower 33 Charlie to make this one a full stop.
Number 33 Charlie, roger. Number 33 Charlie, runway 6, clear to land.
Clear to land 6, 33 Charlie. Brilliant. This has been fun.
I know, it's been great. Thank you for bringing me.
No problem.
Only took you like a year.
Yeah, I know. My co-pilot for the day, for the night.
Yep. See?
GoPro's still on the wing for now. That's a good sign.
Yeah, there it is.
They're all still recording, so that's good. Nice approach, just holding it off, holding it off, holding
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Plane still wants to fly.
Number 33 Charlie, you can proceed to Golf, and then Golf Bravo to parking, monitor ground point 7 off the runway, good night.
Okay, we'll go down to Golf and then Golf Bravo to parking over at Signature on this, over the ground. Good night, thanks for the help, sir.